In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a partially transparent material by using Blender and Krita. Let's create a new image with 500 pixels in width and 500 pixels in height. I'll click and drag the guidelines on the 250 pixels mark like this. I'll select 250 by 250 regions like this, and fill with black. Press Ctrl, Shift, and I as in India to invert the selection and fill with white. Please save the file as alpha, JPG. I'm using cycles, but we can also use this material in Eevee. Please enable alpha clip like this, to enable the transparency. Here are the full nodes. This is an image texture node. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.